Hi everyone, I have several projects that I wanted to share with you from the InLoveArts shop, and I'll put the information to all the dies in the description bar down below along with my 15% coupon code. So be sure to check out these dies. So I had really fun creating these projects. So first I want to share with you this really adorable gift bag. And so you just need to die cut two of these out to create the bag. Now you can create this for any holiday. So you can see here I have two different styles. I have a Christmas one, and then I have one using the Maggie Home Heritage collection. And I love the cute scallops on here. So you can actually tie a bow or a tag here. Here I tied the bow on the two circles here. And I also use this cord here. This is a polyester fiber cord from the shop, and I got it in gold. It's also available in silver and also in red. And so that is the first project share. The second one is this beautiful butterfly die. It's a very large die. It's a little over 5 inches. And you can see in comparisons to my hand, it's a very large butterfly, and it's really pretty. Look how detailed that is. And this would be nice on a card, a layout, a gift box. Just really pretty. So there's that butterfly. The next one is one of my favorites. It's the cherry ice cream cone die. So you get the cone along with the ice cream, and you can layer like 2 or 3 at a time, so it's really cute. And then this is supposed to be the chocolate dripping on the ice cream, and then you get the cute little cherry. So I made some shakers, and so here, and then I used the Maggie Home's Hooray collection for this one, and I love how it turned out. So I basically die cut 2 of the bottom cone, one with the paper and then one with the vellum, and then I added some sequins and some beads in here. So, and, you know, it shakes in there, really cute. And I love how these turned out. This would also be really cute with the Dulce collection by Prima. So I added some glitter on my cherries, and I thought they turned out really cute. So there's that one. The next one are these leaves. So you get the set of leaves. There's, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 6 different styles of leaves that you get from the set. This is another one. And so I made 2 different wreaths. I use these 2 right here for my wreaths. And here they are. This would be cute to add to a gift bag or just an ornament. And you just layer the leaves on top of one another. It's really cute. I love that. And then the next die I have are these little tiny snow globes. So you get 2 of these to create the shaker. And then here's the bottom part of it to layer. And then you get these little tiny snowflakes. So I made 3 different styles here. So first I made it into a shaker. It's a cute little shaker. And then this one I just made it just a little regular snow globe. And then there's the tiny little snowflakes. Cute. And this one I made into a charm. I want to hang this onto my planner. And so it says family. And then I add this little charm from my stash. And then it's just really cute. I love how tiny it is. So there's that die. Next one are these tags. And they're stitch tags. I love this because you can add this to any project. And there's, what, 6, I believe, different styles. There's this oval one. And then there's this one. Really pretty. And so here I made it into a tag set, because what I want to do is I want to create one for Christmas for each of my gifts that I will be gifting my family, and I want to layer it along with a photo of my family and a cute little message, and then our name. So here's just a sample. This is using the Heritage collection, so you can see how I layered the tags. And then it says, this one says family. And then it has a little message. and then I put our last name at the end. So that's what I want to do for my gifts this year for Christmas. So that's a project right there. And then I just made some individual ones. And then again, I use that gold cording. Really pretty. I love these tags. Cute. That one, and then here's the last one. It's my favorite one. So you can use your thickers on here. So that is that die set. And then this one I made a card. This is using the Ornament. It's a lace frame ornament. So you get 4 pieces here. I just use the inner part of the die, but you can also use the outer part of it as well. So I made this card right here, and I thought it turned out really pretty. I love the simplicity of it, and it was really quick to make. So that's the card I made with that die set. And then this one is the Christmas tree. I love this one. So let me show you the pieces you get. So the tree, you can see, are 3 separate pieces. So you get the bottom part of the tree, and then I love the fact that you can layer these. That's what I loved about this set. You also get the star for the top of the tree. You get the little stump, and then you get these 2 tiny circles to create the ornaments. So I made a tag, and again I used the cord, and I used one of the tags from the stitch tag set. And then look how cute this tree is. So I add some dimensional pop dots underneath each of the tree to create dimension for my tag. And then you could see for the little ornaments, I add some stickles on it to add some glitter to it. And it creates a really cute tag. So that's the tree die. And then the last one, which is another favorite of mine, are these gift bags. Look how pretty these gift bag toppers are. I love the detail to it. So you get a larger and a smaller one. So for the larger one, I use it on a glassine bag. And I love the little pre-punched circles there, because I'll show you for this one I added again the cording on there. So you can hang a tag, or you could just create a bow, and it's a really pretty bag topper. So that is my project share for the InLoveArts shop. Be sure to check out the shop, and again I'll have my 15% discount code in the description box, and thanks for watching. Bye.